meeting with his mother Jizabad that shaped his destiny. Let's watch a glance from this inspiring story, The Meeting with Jizabad. This incident showcased parental kindness and values. It inspired people to become a brave and a wise leader. Welcome to the story of Shivaji Maharaj's childhood. Today, we will review a famous meeting between Shivaji Maharaj and his mother Jijabai. Shivaji, my son, come and sit with me. I want to talk to you about your future. Yes, mother, what do you want to tell me? Shivaji, you are destined for great things. You have the heart of man and the mind of strategy. Always remember to brave, wise and just.
Mother, I will never forget your words. But how can I be brave and wise? I'm still just a boy.
Shivaji, bravery and wisdom comes from experience and learning. Always be curious, ask questions and seek knowledge. Never be afraid to stand up for what is right.
Mother, I will never forget your words. But how can I be? What about our enemies? The Mughals and Adil Shahs are powerful and cruel. How can I protect our people?
To protect our people, you must strong and clever. You must use your mind and your heart to outwit your enemies and defend our land.
I will make you proud and fulfill my destiny.
Jijabai's word had profound impact on Shivaji Maharaj. He went on to become an immortal great in Indian history. Friends, let's all together show our love and respect towards our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj by singing a beautiful song.